I'm out here not expecting much, and the whole turkey family and 4 deer are here. A doe and a yearling and fawns down below. I believe this is old girl on the right here. I need to take that hummingbird feeder down. I haven't seen one in days. I guess they've all gone back to Mexico or Central America. It's where the ruby-throated hummingbirds go in the winter. It's a good-sized yearling. I'm not sure which one it is anymore. It's hard to tell who's who since the molt changes their appearance so much. Not sure which fawn is there. The other one's quite spotted still. It's one of the bigger ones down there. I'm using my phone here because I wasn't really expecting to see anyone, so I didn't bring the camera out. Is that you, old girl? I think it is. I think that's old girl.